Hey everyone! Welcome back to Scraping Ants channel. Today, we're covering something crucial, the top 5 mistakes that can get your web scraper blocked instantly. Let's dive in and see how to fix them. Mistake number 1, using default user agents. Look at this default Python requests user agent. It's basically screaming, "I'm a bot." Here's how to fix it using the fake user agent library. Much better, right? Mistake number 2, incomplete headers. Many beginners only set the user agent, but real browsers send tons of headers. Just look at the amount of them. Check out this difference between basic and complete headers. Adding these makes your scraper look much more legitimate. Mistake number 3, no rate limiting. This is a big one. Sending requests as fast as possible is a rookie mistake. Watch what happens when we add random delays between requests. It would require us to wait a bit. Yes, it's slower, but your scraper won't get blocked. Mistake number 4, not using sessions. Look at the performance difference between using individual requests versus a session. Sessions not only maintain cookies, but also reuse connections, making your scraper faster and more reliable. Mistake number 5, unmasked automation. If you're using Playwright or Selenium, your browser fingerprint can still give you away. Here's how to properly mask your automation tools. See how the headers look much more realistic. Pro tips: rotate between multiple user agents, add random delays between requests, use proper session management, include all relevant headers, mask your automation fingerprints. Remember, the goal isn't just to scrape data, but to do it reliably and respectfully. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.